GS805 Self-service Protein powder vending machine. It has a 27-inch touchscreen, more than 20 supplement options, multiple combinations for a taste that you decide yourself. Choose your preferred payment method. 14 ounces, paper cup bucket ×2, ready to drink anytime. 4-liter powder container 7. No more hoarding supplements that take up space. Equipped with an independent mixing system, can quickly dissolve powdered agents. Automatic cleaning of the mixing head. Automatic cleaning of the mixing head. Have a drink after your workout. With free supplements plus efficient muscle gain. Wi-Fi and 4G network connect to the cloud. You can also check inventory and sales figures on your mobile phone. Put this machine in the gym and reap the benefits of increased member loyalty and revenue.